Whirlpool Vent Hood Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company. Employing only factory-trained Whirlpool Vent Hood repair technicians, we service Whirlpool vent hoods and repair Whirlpool vent hoods. We also repair Whirlpool ranges, Whirlpool ovens, Whirlpool stoves, Whirlpool cooktops, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.